That product is really great. I like specifically a feature like low noise. That's really great. And obviously the higher bandwidth up to 8 gigahertz. That's really fantastic.
Absolutely, the noise performance on the product, the high fidelity we're going to have here.
Wow. Like it was 1 year ago with the MSO5. Absolutely the same.
What I really like is the capacity to have an upgrade from 1 gig and up to 8 gig. That's really good for my customers. And the other thing that I really like is the type of proofs that it's being used, because it's tech BPI, so it can be used for diagnostic, it can be used for troubleshooting, so that's really convenient for my type of customers.
8 gigahertz, 25 giga samples, standard memory, more than competitors. And
12
it's
bits.
still, yes, 12 bits of course for sure. And as well, we have plenty of new probes.
Oh, it's just head and shoulders about everything we have in the market right now for our current products.
Find out more or contact us through Vicom's website.